Imagine a car that doesn't just replace gasoline. It redefines luxury in the electric era. Mercedes has just revealed the all-new GLC EQ 2026, and it's not just another EV, it's a statement. With an 800-volt system, blazing fast charging, nearly 450 miles of range, and an interior packed with tech like the giant MBUX Hyperscreen, Mercedes is going all in on electric luxury. But what does this really mean for everyday drivers? And can the GLC EQ live up to the hype of being the next big thing in premium EVs? Today on Auto Drive, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the new GLC EQ 2026, the impact it could have on the auto industry, and why this might just be Mercedes' most important car of the decade. Welcome back to Auto Drive, your ultimate pit stop for everything that moves us forward. From hybrid cars and EVs to futuristic concepts and in-depth reviews, we bring you the latest news and insights that most channels skip. If you're passionate about the future of mobility, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, it's all about the Mercedes GLC EQ 2026. And trust me, you'll want to watch till the very end. Mercedes unveiled the GLC EQ 2026 at the IAA Mobility Show, and the specs are jaw-dropping. Built on Mercedes' dedicated MB.EA platform, the GLC EQ is longer and roomier than the gas-powered GLC, with sleek, sensual purity styling and aerodynamic lines. It carries a 94 kilowatt-hour battery pack that delivers up to 713 kilometers on the WLTP cycle, which translates to about 443 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range EV SUVs on the market. Thanks to its 800-volt system, the GLC EQ supports DC charging speeds up to 330 kilowatts, which means you can charge from 10 to 80% in just about 24 minutes, making long trips more convenient than ever. In terms of performance, the top GLC 404 MATIC offers around 483 horsepower, while an entry rear-drive version is focused more on efficiency for those who prioritize affordability. Inside, the highlight is the massive MBUX Hyperscreen, stretching nearly 40 inches across the dashboard, paired with vegan-friendly materials, a panoramic sunroof, and next-generation infotainment powered by AI voice assistants. The longer wheelbase gives passengers more comfort in the rear seats, while the trunk offers 570 liters of space, expandable to 1,740 liters when the seats are folded down. The GLC EQ is not just another electric SUV, it's the centerpiece of Mercedes' electrification strategy moving forward. Mercedes needed a win in the EV space. Earlier EQ models received criticism for pricing and range, but now the GLC EQ is positioned as the mainstream luxury EV SUV, a direct challenge to Tesla, BMW, and Audi. Its reveal sent shockwaves across the automotive industry, with analysts calling it a benchmark model that raises expectations for range, charging speed, digital technology, and sustainable materials. Competitors are now under pressure to match or surpass these advancements, as Mercedes has managed to blend premium comfort with cutting-edge EV performance in a way that feels both futuristic and practical. The GLC EQ's advantage lies in its balance of technology, performance, and luxury. Its long range and ultra-fast charging reduce range anxiety, while its powerful drivetrain ensures a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing efficiency. The Hyperscreen and AI-driven infotainment system set a new bar for in-car technology, while the increased cabin and trunk space make it family-friendly and versatile. Mercedes has managed to combine everyday practicality with its signature luxury touches, ensuring that the GLC EQ feels like a true Mercedes first and an EV second. This isn't a niche product. It's an electric SUV designed for real-world use. For consumers, the benefits are clear. The GLC EQ offers lower running costs compared to gas-powered SUVs, while delivering a quieter, smoother, and more comfortable ride. The combination of nearly 450 miles of range and rapid charging capability means owners can use it confidently for both daily commutes and long-distance travel. On the environmental side, the zero tailpipe emissions, sustainable material options, and reduced reliance on fossil fuels make it a responsible choice for eco-conscious buyers. This SUV also aligns with the broader shift toward cleaner cities, where electric vehicles can reduce both traffic noise and air pollution, offering a more sustainable lifestyle without compromising on luxury. The all-new Mercedes GLC EQ 2026 is more than just another entry into the EV market. It is Mercedes staking its claim in the electric future with confidence and ambition. By combining a long driving range, ultra-fast charging, stunning design, and luxury comfort, the GLC EQ has all the ingredients to become one of the defining electric vehicles of the next decade. It's a symbol of how the brand is adapting to new consumer demands while staying true to its heritage of luxury and innovation. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Mercedes GLC EQ 2026. What do you think? Does this SUV have what it takes to lead Mercedes into the electric future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe to AutoDrive, and turn on notifications so you never miss our updates on EVs, hybrids, futuristic concepts, and top automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep driving forward.